Hi everyone, welcome in science class. This is the week number 2 and today is 7/9/2020. So here is the book for science learners book. Okay, you have to open this book and put on your table and follow my lesson. So this is the second page of the lesson number 1. So as you can see, page number 7. So you have to open this and write the date on your book. Write the date on your book 7/9/2020 on the right side. So here is the topic. This is the unit number 1, going outside. And the topic 1.1 means lesson number 1, different places to live. Different places to live. And this is the page number 7. Today we discussed and learned animals and plants live different environment. Yesterday we talked about what are the animals and plants. So you know the difference between the animals and plants. So here is the picture on your learner's book. So as you can see, yesterday you tell me the names of different animals. Okay, some animal lives inside the water, on the water, and on the land. So here as you can see, the crocodile live in the water, fish lives in the water. You can see the snake, deer, scorpion, flamingo, and lion. Okay, they live dry places like land. So yesterday we talked about what do animals need to live. Okay, so what do animals need to live? Animals need water, food, and shelter, house. So these are the three important things for animals. Okay, water, food, and shelter. So they can move from one place to another because to get the food. Okay, so if the environment not good, if the environment is so hot, weather is so hot, okay, so and there is no food, so what animals do, animals move from one place to another place, one environment to another environment. Means the animals change the environment to get the food and get healthy. So these are the three important things. So can you tell me animals, how animals get their food? Animals get their food from the plants. If there is no plants, so animals will get sick and die. So plants are very important for all the animals. So these are the three important things: water, food, and shelter. Now here is the next slide. What do plants need to live? As you can see the picture, there are small and big plants and they are green. Why they are green? Because the plants have good and a good amount of water. Okay, they have enough water to stay healthy. And what do plants need to live? Plants need water. And the water come from rain, small rivers. Okay, so water is very important because for water make them healthy. Now the next thing is light, the water and light. So light comes from the sun. These are two main important things for all the plants, water and light. Water comes from rain and rivers, small lakes, okay, and the light comes from sun. If the plant do not have enough water and light, the plants will get sick and it will get yellow. The next is we have two kinds of environments. So here the first one, as you can see, like a desert. So in Saudi Arabia, there's a lot of desert. So we call it dry place. We call it dry place. And here is the wet place. There is green plants, small trees, big trees, water. So here are the two different environments, dry and wet. Dry, Dry, dry. So here is the dry weather. Okay, which animal live in the dry place? You know, camel, some snakes, and small insects. Okay, so some animals live in the deserts. Okay, and some animals live in the wet places. So wet places like water, okay, fish lives in the water, dolphin, sharks, okay, and some snakes live inside the water. So these are the animals, okay. So why animals live in these places? Because to get the food, okay. You know, in the desert there is not enough water, but camel can live, okay. So there are two weather. You have to memorize dry and wet, two animals. So here are the different environments. As you can see in the world, there are different environments. Some weathers, some environment cold, hot, dry and wet. As you can see, this weather is very cold. Some animals live in here, like bear. Okay, bear live in the cold place. Camel live in the dry place, like desert. Okay, this is very hot weather, very hot weather. And this is the some wet places, some mountain places. Okay, so these are the different environments. So let's talk about some names. Okay, so this is the, look at the picture number one. This is the mountains. Some animals live on the mountains because they can get the food there. Okay, this is the grasslands. This is the grasslands. Some animals live here. Some animals live in the polar region, wetland, rainforest, jungle, okay, desert, urban like cities, okay. Some animals live inside the urban areas, cities areas, okay. And some animals live in the mar, okay, in the ocean, in the sea. So these are the different environments, okay. Animals move there because they can get the food easily, because some weather's hot and some weather's cold. So look at these animals, and there are four pictures: mountain, desert, okay, forest, like cold places, okay, and lake. So these are the four environments, one, two, three, four, and these are the animals. So you have to choose the animal and get to match them, okay. Get each animal to these environments. So for example, the snake lives, some snakes live in the deserts and some snakes live inside the lakes, okay, in the water. Camel live in the desert. Bear live in the cold places. So you have to look at these animals, okay, and you have to choose the environment, which animal is suitable for these animals. So this is the homework, okay. This homework is so easy. What you will do, you will draw a plant and draw animal, okay. You have to draw the plants and animals that you found in your two areas, okay. For example, you have two areas, so you have to choose any two areas, area number one, area number two. So in area number one, you can draw a one plant, okay, that's around your house, maybe around your house, maybe little far, okay, maybe another city. So you have to make a plant here and make an animal here, and choose the area number two, make a plant and make an animal. So you will compare, okay, why you choose this area one, okay, because some animals live in the cold places and some animals live in the hot places like deserts. So thank you so much. This is the today's video, and you must open the book and follow the lesson. You can repeat this lesson and try to complete the homework. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.